Hey everybody, welcome back to Mr. Frolic's class. Today we are looking at Fractions Unit Part 10. We're going to jump right in. We are looking at fraction addition. Always remember that when you add fractions, the denominators must match. Today, all the denominators will not match, and that's going to present us with a problem, but we can overcome it. So, what are the steps to solving a fraction addition problem? Here's our sample problem, 1/8 plus 1/2. Well, look at the denominators of the two fractions. Do they match? Well, they don't, not in this problem. So this changes how we solve fraction addition. We have to make them match so that we can solve the problem. So we look at the denominators and we look for a number that we could multiply one or both numbers by that could give us matching denominators. Can you think of a number for this problem? All right, so the magic number for this problem is the number 4. And this is because if we multiply 2 by 4, we can match the 8 in fraction number 1. Now, how do we do that? Well, let's take a look. The first step we go to here is to make the denominators match. We take the 4 and create a whole number fraction equal to 1 whole with it. So what fraction is that? 4/4. Okay, we multiply the 4/4 and the 1/2 to get a new fraction. And that new fraction is going to have a matching denominator. Our new equivalent fraction to use is 4/8. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. So now this makes it so we can actually have matching denominators. So let's get to the last steps. Now we plug our new fraction into the problem. We get rid of what we had before. We get rid of that 1/2. We put the 4/8 in there. Now we check the denominators again. This time, do they match? Well, yeah, this time they do. So now we can just solve the problem like we did in our last video when we learned how to do addition of fractions. Add the numerators, keep the denominator. So 1 plus 4 is 5, keep the 8. The answer is 5/8. Time for some skills practice. Give each one of these a try and we'll see if you can complete all the questions. 1/4 plus 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/5. And 1/3 plus 1/6. And give those a try. Pause the video here. All right. Did you get 3/4? I bet you did. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see, the 1/2 plus 1/5. This one was tricky. Look at that. We have to change the bottom number, the denominator, in both. So this one was for all the rock stars who figured out that if we multiply the 1/2 by 5/5 and the 1/5 by 2/2, we can create a matching denominator, which would be 10. So we replace them with 5/10 and 2/10. Now we have matching denominators, and we get 7/10. Very good. For anybody who picked that up, you're awesome. And then 1/3 plus 1/6, we end up with 3/6. Right? So hopefully you feel more confident solving fraction addition problems when the denominators do and when they don't match. Make sure to go to ixl.com and khanacademy.org for more practice. And until next time, remember that every day in math, we don't sing it, we bring it.